Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install IBO Player Pro on Amazon Firestick and Firestick 4K Max. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code 1171959 in the search bar. Just wait for 5 seconds. After that, IBO Player is automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to tell you something. If you are looking for reliable IPTV service, you are in the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable prices. My service has 20,000 worldwide live channels, 20,000 movies, and 5,000 series. After download IBO Player, install and open it. Now you can see a device ID and device key. Device ID and device key to watch IPTV on it. So send your device ID and device key to your service provider. If you don't have a service provider, then send it to me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you an IPTV subscription. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.